welcome to our Panasonic Energy for an Econation booth. This is our Econation Citizen Wall. This is to prove our commitment to Malaysia as an Econation of the future. So now let us explore our booth in detail. This is the first ever Tesla sports electrical vehicle that shows in Malaysia, presented by Panasonic Malaysia. Panasonic has strengthened the business ties with Tesla Motors that sell zero-emission sports cars. And at the same time, we also showcase to the public that Panasonic has become the preferred supplier of high-capacity lithium-ion batteries. This is the HIT Solar Module Tower to further promote solar panel in Malaysia. This is our Panasonic Eco Declaration to be the #1 green innovation company by 2018 in the electronic industry. And in line with this, in Malaysia, we also declared to be the nation's partners in building an Econation. This is to showcase our Econatin and inverter product to the Malaysian citizens. For commercial industry, this is our Flexi System VRF. To further reduce home electricity bill, we have the solution, LED and halogen LED. As a global leader in green technology, we are providing a total energy solution, create energy, store energy, save energy, and manage energy. In collaboration with Federal Furniture, Panasonic Malaysia is now able to offer a complete kitchen system solution in Malaysia market. Panahome is a building solution, and now Panahome will be providing the first ever proposal to the Malaysia market. This area is a simulation of total convenience store, and the entire store is using Panasonic equipment. In this upper floor, we would like to share with you the Panasonic Econation Center, which is located in Petaling Jaya. It is not only to showcase the latest Panasonic products and solutions, but also to further emphasize the 4 energy pillars: create energy, store energy, save energy, and manage energy. Apart from Econatin and inverter products, not forgetting our Smart VRA, which can help us to connect friends and distant family members. Taking this opportunity, we'd like to showcase the human and resources management solution to the factory. So this is all about our Panasonic Energy for an Econation showcase. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let's have a break.